said the Pilgrim men.
Bang, bang, bang!
And the Indian men.
Big and bang!
We need turkeys
Gobble, gobble, gobble!
for our Thanksgiving dinner.
Yum, yum, yum!
Meanwhile, the Pilgrim women and the Indian women were bringing home the corn.
Ha, ha, ha!
Some corn fell out onto the ground. Now hiding near the path were the turkeys.
Gobble, gobble, gobble!
They like corn.
Ha, ha, ha!
So they followed the Pilgrim women and the Indian women. When the women got home, they met the Pilgrim minister.
Praise the Lord!
He said, we better go back and pick up that corn.
Ha, ha, ha!
Just then, the hunters were coming. Look at all those turkeys
Gobble, gobble, gobble!
eating the corn.
Ha, ha, ha!
The Pilgrim men
Bang, bang, bang!
and the Indian men
Big and bang!
and the Pilgrim women and the Indian women and the Pilgrim minister